The big German lender Deutsche Bank is down heavily in the markets today following a spike in credit default swaps starting late last night as concerns about the stability of European banks continues to worry the markets. Let's take a look at the share price move that we've seen for Deutsche Bank, and you can see quite clearly here on this chart, which indicates daily candles, the big sharp losses that we see on the right-hand side. Currently trading 830, it's down 11% on the market. It's not too far away from this line of support that we had established back in October last year. But if you look at the long-term chart for Deutsche Bank, since the highs we had pre-Great Financial Crisis, we've seen real trouble for the German lender. And that trouble is persisting. We're off the lows at the moment today. This is the third consecutive day we've seen a loss of more than a fifth of their value so far this month, of course. Credit default swaps are a form of insurance for a company's bondholders against its default. When these rise, it indicates that the markets believe that the bank concerned is going to find it increasingly hard to pay holders back the interest due. And of course, the emergency rescue of Credit Suisse by UBS last weekend after the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank in the States has triggered contagion concern amongst investors, which was exacerbated by the Fed's decision this week to raise interest rates. And the path of contagion is when one bank starts to feel the difficulties, other banks involved in the sector, and indeed the bank concerned, then start to feel the pain. And this is exactly what's happening with Deutsche Bank. It's a continuation of this pain that's been felt amongst the banking sector. And many are now hoping this doesn't further damage other banks' balance sheets, which is the path of contagion that could possibly develop unless the authorities get all this under control sooner rather than later. For more videos from us here at IGTV, join us on Twitter at IGCom, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.